Hello and welcome to Hazel's Technologies. This is Amit and we are going to learn HTML from the scratch. So today we are going to learn how to create list in HTML. So let's flip to Visual Studio. If you haven't watched my previous video, it is strongly recommended to please visit my previous videos. So let's go to the Solution Explorer, and right now I'm just adding a new page, that is HTML, and giving it name of list. So this is your title, list. Here I'm just going to use list bar, and in HTML we do have three kind of list. One is known as order list, unordered list, and definition list. So let's do with order list. So it is very simple to create order list. Just you need to take the initials of order and the initial of list. So it will be become your OL, and then this is your order list, and inside of this you have to add some items that is known as a list item. For that you have to add li, and I'm writing it and just giving it 1, 2, and 3. So in order list you will be getting in number format. So let's save it and run it. So now you can see that you are getting this order 1, 2, 3. So as you will be getting and adding more li, this will be increasing rapidly, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So this is the one way that you can create your order list. In another way we having another one, so I'm just copying it and giving here a HR, that stand for horizontal rule, and pasting the same content here. So now what else you can give in order list? Just like we do have 1, 2, and 3, in a similar way we do have another items here that we can represent, and for that we need to write type equal to, if you want some Roman number in uppercase, so you can write it and save it. I have saved it, and let's refresh the page. So now you can see you're having another kind of order list, and here you will see 1, 2, 3 in the Roman number. What else you can go with beyond to this? So just copy same stuff again, and now I want this Roman I into the lower I. So just select it and you will be getting in the lowercase 1, 2, and 3. So on you can go in with your order list. Another way is that just like you do in your Microsoft Word, that you having a type of this kind A. So you will be saving it. So it will be coming ABC. So just like we having Roman numbers in uppercase and in lowercase, in the same level we having the alphabetic order in the upper and into the lowercase. So you will be getting same thing. So in order list you having 5 type, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 type. The by default value, if you are not giving any type, you will be getting 1, 2, and 3. And then you having Roman number capital, in Roman number small letters, uppercase or capital letter ABC, or uppercase, lowercase or small letter ABC you will be getting in order list. But we do have another one, that is the another case of it. So I'm just going to do it, and by default I don't want to change it, so the numbers will be same, 1, 2, 3. So now you will be receiving 1, 2, 3, but I don't want to start it from the 1, 2, or 3, and I want my own numbers. So how I can do it? Let's say that I will write here start, and then you can start with, let's say that I want to start from 50. So I'll just write here on order list start equal 50, and you would be getting it as the number you can see, that 50, 51, 52, and so on. So this way you can do your order list. This is your entire code. We have just added order OL, order list, type equal to A, type equal to capital A, and the internal items will be similar. So let's move forward for the another session, and we are going to create an order list. Just like we have created order list and have taken the initials of order and list in a simple way, we are just going to do also the same format in unordered list. So we will taking the initials of unorder and initials of list. So we will having the li, and again the internal will be same, the list item will be same. So I'm just copying it in the same way and pasting it here. So li for the both section will be similar. So let's see that how you're going to get your unordered list. So this is your unordered list. By default you having this dot sign, we call it disk. So by default you will be getting this in the same way, just like we have done on the upper hand side. I'm just going to do same HR here and want to copy the same stuff, paste it here. Again you will write only type here, and in the type you will write circle. So you see that your type has changed to circle. So we having another one, what we can go for, just need to copy same and write it here, square. So you can see that this is by default disk, circle and square. So this is the unordered list we having here, and that's enough in the unordered list. Then we having the third list, we call it a definition list. So in the definition list,
This conference will now be recorded.
so in the same way you have to take the initials, and we will go for the DL close, and then we want two things we have. One is the DD element for the data definition and data term. So we will be taking DT first. Let's say I'm talking about lion and I'm defining the term king of the jungle. So now see the effect how it will reflect. So you're having definition list, and here this is your lion and the king of jungle. So you have seen that there is a space because it is taking the space, the indent is there already, and it is approximately 100 pixels or 120 pixels of space it is taking, and that's known as the indent. And the another term is just like a definition, as we used to do it in our school days, just writing any kind of definition. So same, the term is here, this is your data term, and this is your DD stand for data definition or defined definition. So like this way you can create your listing in HTML. So I hope so you have enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe us because many more yet to come. The code you can find it out in your in the description. So thank you so much.